Creations. If you are new here, hi, I'm Ankita. I make videos related to art and craft, nail art, painting challenges, travel vlogs, and more creative stuff like this. I have already 90 plus videos on my channel. Check them out and subscribe if you like my work. In today's video, I'm going to share 4 cute yet easy handmade Friendship Day gift ideas. I love to celebrate Friendship Day, and if you also like that, give this video a big thumbs up. And now, let's get started! First, we are making this personalized friendship bookmarks using popsicle sticks. Start by painting the stick in your favorite color. You can paint in one color or two or as many as you like. Don't forget to paint the sides as well. These personalized bookmarks would be a perfect gift for a friend who loves to read books. Now let this paint dry completely, and then we will add design to the bigger side of the painted area like ice cream cones, heart, and all the simple designs which you feel comfortable painting on it. Paint the design on both the sides, and now it's time to add that personalized touch by adding the name of your friend and one thing which you do with that particular friend. Write that on the back side of the stick. Try to make this personalized bookmarks for your friends on this Friendship Day and create lots of happy moments together. Friendship Day is incomplete without friendship bands. So here is a simple DIY idea for making friendship band. All you need is pipe cleaners, pom-poms and hot glue. Fold the pipe cleaner in half so that we get the center to stick our first pom-pom. And then stick as many as you like with same color, different color, however you like it. I'm sticking 5 in the center and 1 at each end of the pipe cleaner. How colorful and cute it is! To wear this, just twist the pipe cleaner like this and you're done. I'm thinking to make one for me as well to wear this on Navratri. Now let's move on to our third DIY. Take a white cardstock paper and trace the areas of your mobile cover like I'm doing here and cut it out. Now make a rectangle as a guideline and then make 2 puzzle pieces like I'm doing here. Take a photo of you and your friend and place it under the white paper. Mark the line so that we can cut the photo as per the size of the puzzle area. Let's give some beautiful color to our white paper before sticking the photo on it. Let the paint dry and then turn it upside down and stick the photo like I'm doing here. Let the glue dry completely so that the photo sticks to it firmly. Let's add some colorful dots to make it look more pretty. Once the paint has dried, place this paper in the back cover like this and then place your phone. Tada! It looks so pretty. Now let's add the border of our puzzle with this black puffy paint and also some text below it. With toothpick, you can even out the lines of puffy paints if it gets thicker in some areas. Adding 2 little hearts and we are done with our cute photo phone case. I made this for my husband because he's my best friend forever. Moving on to our last DIY, where we are making pocket notebook greeting card. First, paint the notebook in the color of your choice. You might have to do multiple coats of paint till it turns opaque. When the paint has dried, add two little pom-poms like this. Now add some googly eyes to these pom-pom faces. Draw the remaining parts of body with this marker and we are done. Greeting cards are such a lovely way to express your love and emotion. So why not make them on notebooks like this? These pocket notebooks are easy to carry and are very useful in making short notes or to-do list. That way, this will be a very useful gift for your friend. Write your note on the first page of the notebook and convert it into a cute notebook greeting card. By the way, if you love pom-poms as much as I do, I have a whole video on DIYs you can make using pom-poms. Check that out in the description box below and happy Friendships Day! I hope you like this gift ideas. Try it out on this Friendship Day and make your friends feel extra special. Also, comment down below which DIY you like the most. And I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative. Please subscribe.